Hey guys, welcome back. So this layout today is for Challenge Accepted, and Scrappy, Kathy, and I are doing a challenge to play along with Scrapbook Your Joy, and it is a challenge to use washi tape and do an inspirational layout. So I'm showing you all these great goodies I have from a Not Just for Boys Kit Club kit. And I believe the kit's called Breeze. I showed you that earlier. And there's all of these goodies I really want to bring in. I like the stars. I like this Heidi Swap background paper. I am loving the Maggie Holmes background paper. So I have all of these great things. All right, so let's check in. I did go ahead and map my photo with a bunch of scraps, as well as this big old piece by Amy Tangerine, Brave and Bold. Oh, does it say which one it is? It's called Canvas. So I did need that color. I wanted to bring in some of the teal because I just happen to love it. So I have that. Great. Now I have to figure out what I want to do with the washi, because I know my title is going to be a really big part, as part of the inspiration. So I'm going to tear it and scuff it because I scuffed up the edges on this. Ooh, I still have to scuff up the edges on my background paper. So I have that to look at. Oh, I want to get some of these nice little photo corners on here. Let's see. I have lots of stuff to still do. And I've got these great buttons. I have all of these great pieces. So I'm going to work on, well, let's get the photo corners on. I have to scuff the edges of that. And then I want to look at the pretty little studio stars, see which ones of those I can bring in. Because I thought that might be fun to have them kind of cascade on a diagonal-ish, because I'm going to have such a big title. Guys, I am all over the place because I want to use all of the themes. I haven't used enough of this kit yet. That might be the problem. Okay, so I'm going to keep working on it. I know it's not that exciting to watch me put on photo corners, but I thought I'd give you an update. Come on, little guy. Come on. Wanted to sneak that in. So cool how these little photo corners finish off this little block with my picture. Okay, is that about right? Shove, shove, shove. Push it on. They have adhesive on the back, so I know that'll be there. Got to scuff this up. I want to tear strips, and each of the strips I want to have some kind of word bit on it. So I'm going to work on that. And when I tear it, I mean I'm going to tear going this way because I find it to be interesting because it looks scuffy. So I will do that. I'll come back in a minute. It's a basic idea I have. It's going to say, hey, heart, heart, heart. And then all of these inspiring words about my son. And then the stars are going to come down on a diagonal. But what I need to do is under all of those gold bits, I have to layer some washi. I have these torn washi strips underneath all of those words. I have them on there, pretty straight with a T-square ruler. Now I'm arranging these stars. This kit also had these kind of like really nubby tweed buttons, and I thought they had this great texture, so I thought I'd include them in with my star clusters. Oh, I also scuffed up all of the edges of my stars, my background paper, my photo mats, all of the good. I looked through the Heidi Swap sticker book that came with this kit, and I did like this hello word. I don't get a lot more of the stickers in, but that word hello is a kind of the same color as the dog, and it also works with the colors in those buttons, so I thought I'd layer it up a bit. I did like this little fishtail banner, so that's going to make its way in there, and of course I have to scuff it up. But for the most part, guys, this is really going to be the layout. You see that cute little paper clip to the right of my layout? I'm just going to stick that right by the hello because it's got this nice little coppery tone to it that just works as well. So you saw I used a little bit of cheap craft foam and popped that up. I do love wordy bits, and it's a cute photo. It was on social media, and who doesn't love a puppy photo with the office dog? I don't know if it's really the office dog. It's a dog that's at the office a lot. I am going to go ahead and add some of these great Gems by Rosie's Studio. I just adore them, and I keep adding them to all kinds of layouts. Oh, and I also added, what did I add? Oh, just a couple word strips there on the bottom. Now I'm going to go in with a little bit of Heidi Swapp Color Shine in, it's, what is it called? Tea Stain? Tea in Tea? It's this really nice bronzy color. And then I'm also going to get the Heidi Swapp Color Shine in Navy that dries in the most gorgeous, nice metallic blue. And I do apologize. We have a massive thunderstorm going on while I'm filming this, and Mason's getting his little evening nap as well. So there is a bit of a ruckus. All right, splatty bits are on, and here is a close-up. Of course, my splatty bits have to dry a little bit before I take my still shots, but you should be able to see that nice metallic blue that I was talking about. I'm going to have Scrappy Kathy's link down below so you can see how she approached this challenge. I'm sure she will amaze me as always. That's it for now, friends. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.